In this video, I'm going to cover step by step how to create a Shopify blog. You can follow this video if you're a beginner with Shopify, and also if you're new to using the Shopify blog feature. Also, if you're still testing things out with Shopify, and if you're not quite ready just yet to commit to a full-term plan, I do have a way that you guys can get your first 3 months on Shopify for just $1. I will link that Shopify sign up link in the description box below if you would like to spend your first 3 months setting up your shop and learning the platform without having to commit just yet to a long-term plan. Let's get straight into this video. First up, I'm going to show you where to locate the Shopify blog page inside your Shopify dashboard, and also how to create a new blog. On Shopify, you'll first want to open your content page. Then next, you're going to want to click blog posts. Once you're here, this is where you can create a brand new blog post. And you can also manage your different blogs. I'm first going to click manage blogs, and you may have a default blog already added in your store, and it may be titled news. You can choose if you would like to customize that blog or if you would like to create a brand new one. I'm going to create a new blog, and then I'm going to title the blog. I've went ahead and titled my blog, and remember, this is not the title for your blog post. This is just the title for your overall blog. Let's say you have a clothing store. You can title your blog Styling Tips 101, since your different blog posts may be related to styling clothes. Then you can choose if you would like the comments to be allowed or disabled, or allowed and pending moderation, and if you'd like to customize the SEO for the search engine listing display, you can click this pen icon to edit how this displays on search engines. I'm going to click save to save the new blog. Then I'm going to go back to blog posts, and next you can either create a new blog post or you can view how your blog appears so that you can customize your blog page. I'm going to show you where to go to customize your blog page really quick so that you can take a look at the layout and how you're going to display your posts. You want to open your themes page. Then you can customize your website. Once you open your website, you want to click home page. Then I'm going to click blogs, and I'm going to open the default blog. So I've already pre-designed my blog page, but if you're starting from scratch, I'm going to show you really quickly how to do your blog page. You want to click default blog, then click create template. I've titled this after the new blog, and I'm going to click create template. Then on Shopify, I'm going to open my content page and the blog post page again. And then you'll want to go ahead and open up that blog that you just now created. And once you open up that blog, under theme template is where you can apply that new page template that you created. And I'm going to click save. That's going to make it its own separate page. Then back inside your website. Also, if you do like this website that you see here, this is one of my Shopify themes designed for coaches, bloggers, and other types of service providers. I have a variety of different Shopify theme templates designed for online service providers, along with a line of other Shopify themes for in case you would like to save the time from creating and designing your website completely from scratch. If you're not too familiar with Shopify themes, the template will arrive in a zip file format, and when you open Shopify, then go to your homepage, you'll be able to upload that website theme straight into your store, and you can publish it and begin editing it and adding your products. Most of my Shopify templates are template bundles, so they do include an installation guide with instructions and screenshots to show you how to install the Shopify theme. I have a wide variety of Shopify templates for different types of business niches, including skincare, dropshipping, and even coaching businesses. My theme bundles also include additional templates like web banner templates, logo templates, and more. If you're looking to save the time from having to design and lay out your website from scratch, you can grab one of my Shopify themes from my website, which I will link in the description box below. I'm going to open up that page. So I'm first going to click home page, then I'm going to click blogs, and I'm going to open up the marketing tips blog. I'm going to remove these sections, and I'm going to show you a beginner-friendly way to design your blog page. Above the footer section, you'll want to click add section to template. Then when you scroll down, you can insert a blog posts section. You can choose to retitle this heading text, and in each of these fields, it's going to automatically add the active blog posts that you add to your website, as long as you've set the blog posts to visible. You can adjust the heading size. Then next to blog, you want to select which blog you would like it to sync with. And you can also adjust the number of blog posts you would like it to show. That's how to add a blog posts section to your blog page. When customers open your blog, they'll be able to click on which blog post they would like to read. Feel free to add any other sections to this page that you would like to add. Next, I'll be showing you how to add a blog post. To add a blog post to your website, you'll want to open up the content page. Then you're going to open blog posts. And this will take you to the blog post editing page. First up, you'll want to decide if you're going to set your blog post to visible or hidden. I'm going to set this to visible. Then you can add a title for the blog post. So I've added my title. You can also use AI to generate a title for you. Then under content is where you're going to add all of your blog post content, including the text, the links, and you can also insert pictures and videos throughout this field. Before I get to that, I'm going to cover a few other editing details for your blog post. You can write a summary for the blog post, and then you can also edit the search engine listing display for the blog post. So when you click the pen icon, you can add the meta description, you can customize the URL handle, and you can customize the appearance of the page title for the search engine listing. Under image is where you can upload a main cover image for your blog. I've just uploaded an image for the blog post cover. Then you can add in the author of the blog post. You can choose which blog you would like to assign this blog post to, and then you can add tags for the blog post. Then I'm going to scroll up and I'll be adding my blog post content here in the content field. Once you added in your blog post text, next you can customize the text using the customization options. For example, you can select the text and you can actually realign it in case you would like to center or reposition the text. And you can also adjust the formatting for the text, which is basically kind of like the size of the text. You can put text in bold, italic, you can underline the text, and you can also adjust the text color and the text background color. If there's any specific text that you would like to add a link to, you just want to select the text and click the insert link icon so that you can add a link leading to another page in your website or like an external link. And also for any users that are brand new to Shopify, I know it can feel a little overwhelming figuring out the dashboard, setting up your store, and also making sure that your products are optimized to sell. I do have a new seller's guide, which is a step-by-step beginner's ebook made to walk you through the Shopify dashboard. The guide includes launch checklists to help keep you on track, a mini store setup guide, tips for customizing your theme and branding your website, plus advanced features. It includes a Shopify app guide overview and even SEO strategies and product optimization tips so that your store isn't just live, but it's ready to be discovered by customers. I'll link the guide below for you guys so that you can grab your copy. Then to add pictures throughout your blog post, you want to click the insert image icon to upload images. You can also scale up the image. Then you'll want to click save to save that blog post. And next you'll want to open up your blog page inside your website so that you can view the appearance of the blog post. If you don't want to do it that way, you can also click the view icon to take a look at your blog post. So here's the finished appearance of the blog post, and here is the text display. Typically, it would display the date that the blog post was created as well as a share option for people who would like to share the blog post. Feel free to add multiple pictures and videos throughout your blog post, and you can also optimize SEO keywords to help your blog post rank in the Google search engine. I'm going to go in to edit my website. Then I'm going to click homepage, and I'll be opening up that blog that I showed you how to create earlier in this video. And here is the appearance of the finished blog page. So it's going to list a blog at the very top of the page, and it's also shown an overview of that blog here in the blog posts section. And this will be clickable so that when customers click it, it will open up the blog post. And that is how to add a blog post to your Shopify store.